Hello everyone, welcome back to Geomapping Labs. In this tutorial, we will explore Google Earth Pro and understand how it works, step by step in detail. Let's start the video. First, open the Google Earth Pro software. Once it opens, you will see that the interface is logically organized into four main areas. A sidebar for accessing different features and settings. A central map view for displaying data. Visually navigation controls to move and interact with the map. And a top toolbar for quick actions and essential tools. The first section is the sidebar. This is your control hub, and the sidebar is divided into three main parts: search, places, and layers. Search. This option is used to find addresses, businesses, or coordinates. For example, if we want to find Lucknow, we can simply go to the search box, type Lucknow, and then click on Search. As soon as you search, the results will be displayed directly on the map view, making it easy to view and interact with them. In the same way, if we want to find a business, for example such as hotels near Lucknow Airport, simply type hotels near Lucknow Airport. Then click on Search. All nearby hotels will then appear on the map. You can view all the hotels located near Lucknow Airport. You can find them displayed on the map, as well as in the main section and the sidebar. If you have already coordinates and want to view a location, simply type or paste the coordinates into the search box and click Search. The exact location will then be displayed on the map. By the way, if you are enjoying the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. You can also view and clear your search history here. To view directions, click on Get Directions. Enter your starting location in the A field and your destination in the B field, then click Get Direction. The route will be displayed on the map. Alternatively, you can use the map view directly. Navigate your starting point and then right. Click on your starting point and select Directions from here. Then navigate to your destination. Right, click on it and choose Directions to here. The route will automatically be generated on the map. The second part is Places. This acts as your library. Temporary places store items during your session, while My Places allow you to save data permanently. You can also organize them into folders, just like on your computer. The third part of sidebar is Layers. This works like a control panel where you can turn on or off features such as borders and labels, places, photos, roads, 3D buildings, weather, and even other mentioned data. The second section is the map view, located at the center of the screen. It is your main working area where you can explore the globe, view satellite imagery, and analyze terrain. Most of your work will be done here. Navigation controls are divided into four parts on the top right side. The top part is used for rotation. You can rotate the Earth in any direction by clicking and dragging using the direction icons. The middle part lets you move the map up, down, left, and right, which can also be controlled with the mouse or the arrow keys on the keyboard. The third control allows you to view the real-world street view. You can use it by dragging the icon onto a street on the map to explore that location. You can exit Street View at any time by clicking on Exit Street View at the top of the Map View section. You can correct the map view rotation and reset the north direction by simply pressing the R or N keys on your keyboard. The bottom part is used for zooming in and out. All these functions can also be easily controlled using the mouse and keyboard. This section is called the toolbar. The toolbar contains several important tools for mapping and navigation. The first icon is used to hide the sidebar, which helps in expanding the map view for better visibility. Next, the placemark tool is used to add a point location marker on the map. For example, to create a placemark, simply click on the icon, then drag it to your desired location, enter the name and other details if required, and click OK to save it. Next, the polygon tool helps us draw an area on the map. To use it, click on the icon and then mark the boundary of your area by clicking around it, point by point on the map. Once the shape is complete, enter a name and click OK to save it. You can also display a filled polygon as an outline. To do this, first click on Style Color. Then, under the Area section, select the option for Outline Only. Next, choose the desired color and set the outline width as needed. After that, enter the name and click OK to save it. Here, we have the option to draw a line path. To use it, select the Add Path tool from the toolbar, then draw the line on the map by clicking along the desired road. After that, choose the line's color and width, enter a name, and click OK to save it. The next tool is Image Overlay. First, click on the Image Overlay tool. After clicking, you can enter a name for the overlay. Then, click on Browse and select the image you want to overlay on the map. After selecting the image, open the Location tab and click on Convert to Lat Long Quad. Here, you will see 4 corner points: first, second, third, and fourth, each with latitude and longitude values. Enter the correct coordinates for all 4 corners of the image. Once all the values are entered, you can verify whether the overlay is correctly placed by adjusting the transparency option. This helps you compare the image with the underlying map for accurate alignment. Finally, click OK to complete and save the image overlay. The next tool is Record Tour, which allows you to create and record a virtual tour of the selected locations on the map. First, click on the Record Tour tool, then click on the Record button to start recording your tour. The recording controls will appear at the bottom left corner of the map view. During the tour, you can also add voice narration by clicking on the microphone option. After completing your tour, click on the Stop button to end the recording. You can then preview the tour using the Play option. If everything looks correct, click on Save and give your tour a name. The recorded tour will be saved in the Places panel for future use. The next tool is Historical Imagery, which allows you to view past satellite images of a location. You can use the time slider to move between different acquisition dates and observe changes over time. The next tool is used to show how sunlight falls across the landscape. You can use the time slider to adjust the time of day and observe changes in lighting and shadows on the map. The next tool is the Switch tool, which is used to explore different views, such as Earth, sky, and other planets. Next is the Ruler tool, which is divided into different measurement options. The first option is the Line tool, which is used to measure the distance between 2 points. You can also change the measurement units as per your requirement. The second option is the Path tool, which is used to measure the distance between multiple points. It also allows you to view the elevation profile along the selected path. The third option is the Polygon tool, which is used to measure the area and perimeter of a geometric shape on the ground. You can also change the measurement units as needed. The next option is the Circle tool, which is used to create a circular shape on the map and measure its radius, circumference, and area. You can also adjust the measurement units as required. Similarly, the 3D Path and 3D Polygon tools are used to measure distances and areas in 3 dimensions, taking elevation into account for more accurate results. The next tool is Email, which allows you to send the map as a screenshot or a KML file directly to your email or to others. The next tool is the Print tool, which is used to print the current map view. You can customize map options, choose direct printing, or save the layout as a PDF file. You can also add titles, legends, and other elements as needed before printing or saving the map for documentation purposes. The next options Save Image, View in Google Maps, and View in Google Earth Web. The Save Image tool allows you to export the current map view as an image. The View in Google Maps option opens the location in Google Maps, while View in Google Earth Web lets you explore the same location in the web version of Google Earth. Some useful information is displayed at the bottom of the interface, where you can view details such as imagery date, elevation, and other important map-related information. This section is the menu bar, which includes options like File, Edit, View, Tools, Add, and Help. Each menu provides access to additional functions and settings. File is used for opening, saving, and exporting files. Edit allows you to modify or manage items. View helps control the display of map elements. Tools provides advanced features and utilities. Add is used to insert elements like placemarks, paths, and overlays. Help offers guidance, support, and tutorials for using the software. If you are working on a project and want to keep something separate, you can simply create a new folder. Just right. Click on your Places under the Places panel, go to Add, and then click on Folder. Once the folder is created, you can organize and work within it easily. Thank you so much, everyone. Your support truly means a lot to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe,